How to fix Android MiPhone stuck on airplane mode. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can fix your Android MiPhone stuck on your airplane mode. So if your MiPhone or any Android phone is stuck in airplane mode and you are unable to turn it off, there are several potential solutions to resolve the issue. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can fix it. Basic troubleshooting step is that you can restart your phone. This is the simplest first step. Press and hold the power button key and you can tap on the restart or reboot option when the menu appears. Sometimes a simple reboot can also resolve software glitches and restore normal functionality. And you can check the airplane mode setting again. After restarting back, you can swipe down from the top of your screen from the quick setting. And here you can look for the airplane mode icon. It looks like a small airplane. If it is enabled, you can see the highlighted and you can tap on it to disable the airplane mode. If this doesn't work, you can try tapping it several times or dragging down the notification panel down and toggling it off again. Also, you can disable airplane mode from the setting. You have to navigate to your device setting and you can find the connection and sharing here. And if you have enabled your airplane mode, you have to simply disable it from your setting too. So this is the simple way how you can fix Android MI phone stock on your Android device. Also, you can boot your if none of these above solution work and your phone is still stuck in the airplane mode, you might need to perform a factory reset, which will erase all the data on your phone, so be sure to back up important files first. Go to your settings and tap on the About phone and go for the backup and storage and you have to back up your all data and files. After that, you can go for the factory reset and tap on the Erase All Data. So this way you can easily fix your issue. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.